Public Works crews hard at work clearing storm drains to prevent flooding. 2 to 3 inches of rain on top of clogged drains equals trouble. Barricades up around areas that often flood, and homeowners still clearing out from last week's storm, facing another worry tonight.
The problem is we're at the beginning of the winter. You know what I mean? I mean, this stuff has got to be fixed.
Snow and ice still piled on their lawns. They're worried water will end up back inside their homes and then freeze again this weekend.
Moved all the snow in the yard so the water doesn't get trapped and go down and then come back up through the cellar floor.
A foot of water filled his cellar last week. Insurance adjusters finally arrived to assess his damage a week later. Town officials in Winthrop handing out forms, hoping for federal aid.
We know 54. We're assuming it's probably 70 to 80 range homes that were affected by this flood conditions during the Northeast blizzard.
So a lot of folks tonight preparing for the worst but hoping for the best. We're live in Winthrop. Sean Scheib on WCVB News Center 5.